Nokia has been one of the most trusted brands among people for years. After a long wait, Nokia is back with yet another spectacular smartphone. This amazing device packs a game-changer 300-megapixel DSLR camera, the most powerful mobile processor ever, the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2, and so much more. Yes, you heard that right. We're talking about the all-new Nokia P Max 5G. If you're excited to get your hands on this beast, make sure to watch this video till the end, because today we're diving deep into its full features, price, and launch date. So let's start. Features of Nokia P Max 5G. Display. This flagship killer from Nokia comes with a massive 6.86-inch Full HD Plus OLED display, boasting a 120 Hz refresh rate and 390 Hz touch sampling rate for ultra-smooth scrolling and gaming. Plus, it's tougher than ever with Corning Gorilla Glass Armor protection, an in-display fingerprint sensor, and IP68 water and dust resistance. Camera setup. Get ready to capture like a pro with its quad rear camera setup. The primary sensor is a whopping 300 megapixel, accompanied by 50 megapixel, 32 megapixel, and 12 megapixel secondary lenses. And for selfie lovers, a 64 megapixel front camera that'll make every shot Instagram ready. Performance. Powering this monster is the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 chipset, making gaming, multitasking, and heavy usage buttery smooth. And yes, it runs on the newest and latest Android 16 straight out of the box. Battery backup. Nokia's this phone packs a massive 7500 mAh battery, with 120-watt super fast charging. Plus, it features a Type-C Gen 2 charging port. No more charging anxiety. Price and launch date. Now, the big question, how much will it cost? While there's no official confirmation yet, but leaks suggest it'll be priced around $699. And as for the launch, expect it to hit the market early next year.